click on the plus and on your keyboard hit the first letter of the plugin you want to add. After that, hit enter. Now let's rename it by hitting the mouse wheel on our insert and hit F2 to give it a random color. After that, let's click on our insert and hit letter A on our keyboard and automatically assign the mixer and playlist track to it. Now we'll add a pattern by hitting F2 on our keyboard and hit F3 to give it last color we selected in FL Studio. If you want to learn more, check out our full start to finish course with over 50 lessons where we take you through navigation of the FL Studio, building a track from start to finish, including sound design, mixing and mastering, arrangement, and of course, vocal production. Lifetime access available on every platform. Hit the link in our bio to learn more.